Thank you for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe and tap the bell so that you get notified when we create more content. In this screencast, we're going to learn how to export a deleted record using Data Loader. There are times when a record needs to be recovered since it might be deleted, either by a user, yourself, or another administrator. It's easy to review records from the recycle bin, although it takes time to review each one if there are a few hundred deleted records and there is not enough detail on the page. This is when the Data Loader tool becomes beneficial. There is an Export All function in the Data Loader that will pull all records that are in the deleted stage. In order to demo this, I'm going to delete a contact record I don't need. To start, navigate to the Contact tab and pull a list view of contacts. Delete any one contact in the list view. Now I'll go to the Recycle bin and click on the Empty Your Recycle Bin button. When the recycle bin is emptied, the records aren't entirely removed from your org. They go into a deleted stage and can be retrieved. Open Data Loader. Click on the Export All button, which will show all current and deleted data, and log in using your credentials. Select the contact object, make sure the export file is saved to wherever you can access it, and click on the Next button. Select the fields needed under the Query Fields box, such as ID and name. Create a clause using the field is deleted. Select equal under operation. Put true under value and click on the Add Conditions button. Click on the Finish button and select Yes for the dialog box which states that you will be performing an export on deleted records. Another dialog box will appear showing the number of records exported. Click on the View Extraction button and you will see the record that was deleted. Also, you can view the data where the file was exported. You can then either import the record back in or save this data. For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.